So don't stress yourself if they are not perfect, except you are a perfectionist. Okay, now at this point you will want to be generous with your feeling. Yes, okay, nobody likes an empty roll, so just do what suits you best. Alright lovelies, if you've watched to this point, it means that you really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and a follow. Thank you once again. So brush the edges with egg wash, fold over and seal tight. Okay, then cut them into the sizes you prefer. Alright, okay lovelies, between fried and baked fish roll, which do you prefer? As for me, I prefer baked. What about you? Drop it in the comment section, okay? So once you are done with your rolling and filling,